Hello dear students, in this session we will solve some problems from vectors, and we also try to understand what is vector product or cross product. Okay. The first problem, the vector projection of a vector 3i cap plus 4k cap on y axis. Okay. What is 3i cap? 3i cap. What is I cap? I cap is a unit vector along x axis. Correct now. What is k cap? K cap is a unit vector along z axis. What does it mean? This vector has got some projection in z axis, has got some projection in x axis. Okay, this can be written as 3 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 4 k cap. What is j cap? J cap is a unit vector along y axis. Therefore, what is the projection of this vector along y axis? What is the projection? The projection is 0. Okay, simple question, right? Next, a force of 5 Newton acts on a particle along a direction making an angle of 60 degree with the vertical. Okay. Okay, so this is vertical. Okay, force of 5 Newton acts on a particle. 5 Newton acts on a particle. Say here there is a particle in a direction making an angle 60 degree with the vertical. Making an angle 60 degree with the vertical. Okay, or you can draw a diagram like this. Okay, this is the vertical and this will be the horizontal. Okay, force is acting like this, making an angle 60 degree with the vertical. Its vertical component is okay, what is its vertical component? How to find vertical component? We have to drop a perpendicular like this, correct now? So this will become the vertical component. For that, what do we do? Let us define. Okay, what we know hypotenuse, correct? It is 5 Newton. So we don't know adjacent side. So we'll define cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5, right? Hypotenuse is 5. Okay, now what happened? That adjacent side. So while defining cos theta, this is adjacent side, correct now? This is adjacent side. Adjacent side, or that adjacent side itself is equal to vertical component is equal to cos 60 into 5. Sin 30 is half. Cos 60 is also, sin 30 is half. Cos 60 is also half. Correct now? Cos 60 is half. Okay, into 5. So what happened? 2.5 Newton. Okay, vertical component is how much? 2.5 Newton. Hope you can understand. Suddenly what happens is we will write this angle 60 degree here. Okay, so you have to concentrate on this word, making an angle of 60 degree with the vertical. 60 degree with the vertical. So therefore the answer is 2.5 Newton. So here what we have to do? So for this is the vertical. So this will be the vertical component. So this is the hypotenuse. We have to think hypotenuse is known to us, adjacent side is unknown. So we should use something in which there is adjacent side and hypotenuse. So that is cos theta. Okay, next question. Okay, if vector A is 3i cap plus 4j cap and vector B is 7i cap plus 24j cap, the vector having same magnitude as B and parallel to A. Okay, so first we'll find out which vector is parallel to A. Okay. Now what is the angle made by A with the x-axis? We'll see this. Okay, vector A, I'll write here, vector A is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap. Okay. Now here, what is the angle made by this vector with x-axis? Huh? Tan theta is equal to y by x, correct now? 4 by 3. Tan theta is 4 by 3 here. Now here we will see in which equation tan theta is 4 by 3. Huh? Option A. What is option A? Tan theta is equal to 20 by 5. Tan theta is equal to 20 by 5. 20 by 5 means 4:1. Okay. No. What about option B? Option B, tan theta is equal to 10 by 15. 10 by 15 means 2 by 3. Option C, tan theta is equal to 15 by 20. 15 by 20 means how much? 3 by 4. What I need? 4 by 3. Okay, what about option D? In option D, tan theta is equal to 20 by 15. 20 by 15. 5 goes 3 times. 5 goes 3 times. 5 goes 4 times in 20. Okay. So vector A is parallel to this vector. See, if you multiply this vector with the 5, what happens? 15 I cap plus 20 j cap. So option D is parallel to vector A. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to choose a vector having same magnitude as B and parallel to A. So option D itself is the answer. We don't have to find the magnitude of B. But still, how to find magnitude of B? How to find magnitude of B? Okay. Magnitude of B is equal to, this is very important. Magnitude of B is equal to square root of 7 square plus 24 square. Okay. 7 square is how much? 7 square is 49. Correct now? 7 square is 49 plus 24 square is 576. Okay. So this is 625. Magnitude of vector B is how much? 625. What is magnitude of this option D? What is magnitude of this? Huh? Magnitude of this vector is equal to square root of 15 square plus 20 square. Okay, what is 15 square? 15 square is 225. Okay, 20 square is how much? 400. Okay, so what happened? So here I think I have missed the square root symbol here, right? So what is the magnitude? 25. Yeah, 25 is the magnitude here. So square root of 225 plus 400 is square root of 625. So this is also 25. So magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of option D. Okay. So therefore we have found a vector which is parallel to A, and having same magnitude as of B. Magnitude of B is how much? Magnitude of B is 25. Okay. Magnitude of this vector is also 25. Hope you can understand this problem. You can write some general vectors. When you write vector A is equal to 3i cap plus 15j cap plus 35k cap. Okay. Find the magnitude. You can frame your own questions. Okay. Next question number 4. The expression 1 by root 2 I cap plus 1 by root 2 j cap is, okay, it's a unit vector, it's a null vector, it's a vector of magnitude root 2, and it's a scalar. Okay. It is not a scalar because I cap j cap is there. It is not a scalar. It is a unit vector. Okay. What is unit vector? A vector having unit magnitude. What is null vector? A vector having zero magnitude. A vector of magnitude root 2. Okay. So we have to find magnitude. We will find the magnitude of this vector. How to find the magnitude of this vector? Given vector A, I'll take it as vector A is equal to 1 by root 2 into I cap plus 1 by root 2 into j cap. So how to find the magnitude of a vector? Magnitude of vector A is equal to square root of 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. So what happens? Square root of 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Correct now? Root 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Square root of 1 is how much? 1. Okay. So its magnitude is 1. So therefore it is a unit vector. Okay. Easy? Yeah. Next, we'll solve this problem. Question number 5. Okay, this one I'll leave it to you. Okay, question number 5. Given vector A is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap. The angle between A and y axis. Okay, vector A is given. What is that? Vector A is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap. So we have to find out angle between this vector A and y axis. Okay, angle between this vector A. So what is this vector A? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is x axis. This is y axis. 1, 2, 3. 2i cap means this is 2i cap. Okay, 2i cap. 3j cap means this is 3j cap. 3j cap. Why? This is 1, 2, 3 along y axis. Okay. Yes. Now this is vector A. So what you have to find out? The angle between vector A and y axis. This angle you have to find out. If you have to find this angle, we'll define tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is this opposite side? What is length of this? Length of this is 2. Correct now? What is length of this? Length of this is 3. Opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta equal to 2 by 3. This implies theta equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. See here, there will be a confusion for us between 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, if they would have asked like what is the angle between vector A and x axis, then theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Now what they have asked? Angle between vector A and y axis. Draw properly, then write define tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Next, this problem is for you. Okay, do it. Answer in the comment section. Okay, a particle is simultaneously acted by two forces equal to 4 Newton and 2 Newton. Angle is not given. What is the angle between them is not given. Okay, the net force on the particle is whether it is 7 Newton, whether it is 5 Newton, 1 Newton, whether if it is between 1 Newton and 7 Newton, you have to choose the correct answer and please put it in the comment section. Okay, now we will define what is cross product. Cross product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors. Yesterday, in the previous section, we have studied dot product. Correct now? What is cross product? If there is a vector, vector A, and if there is a vector, vector B, if the angle between two vectors is theta, A cross B is defined as magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sine theta into n cap. Okay, what is theta? Theta is the angle between A and B. What is n cap? Where n cap is a unit vector. Hope you are doing the notes. Okay, where n cap is a unit vector. Oh yeah, what happened? N cap is a unit vector. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Perpendicular to both A and B. Or n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. Means this is vector A, this is vector B. That n cap should be perpendicular to both A and B. Means that should be like this. Okay, that unit vector should be in this direction. Or how to give the direction of A cross B? So here what I have done. How to give the direction of A cross B? If this is A, this is B. A cross B. This will be the direction of A cross B. What will be the direction of B cross A? If this is B and this is A, B cross A means in this direction. A cross B means in the opposite direction. Here, what does it mean? Cross product is not commutative. In scalar product we have studied A dot B equal to B dot A because all the answers are scalars. Here A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Why? If see, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. What is the direction of A cross B? Direction of A cross B is towards you. What is the direction of B cross A? It is away from you. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Angle between A cross B and B cross A is equal to 180 degree. Remember, angle between A cross B and B cross A is 180 degree. Remember and note it down. Okay, now okay, A and B, yeah. Now we'll see what is A cross A. What is A cross A is equal? What is A cross A? Magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector A into sine theta. What is the angle between sine? What is the angle between vector A and vector A? 0 degree. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0 into n cap, or this will be a null vector. A cross A will give you a null vector, whereas in the case of scalar product, A dot A was giving A square, correct na? So here A cross A will give you null vector. What is a null vector? It's a vector having 0 magnitude and no specified direction. Okay, now we'll see what happens if I do I cap cross I cap. What is I cap cross I cap? So magnitude of I cap into magnitude of I cap, correct now? What I'm doing, I'm using the definition of cross product. What is A cross B? Magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine theta into n cap. Yeah, right. Magnitude of I cap 1 into magnitude of I cap 1, because I cap is a unit vector, into what is the angle between I cap and I cap? Okay, that is 0. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Okay, sine 0 is 0. That is equal to 0. It's a null vector. So I cross I is equal to 0. Since A cross A is equal to 0, I cross I is also 0. Similarly, J cross J equal to K cross K is also equal to 0. Remember. Okay, next. What if I do I cap cross J cap? I cap cross J cap. Magnitude of I cap into magnitude of J cap into sine of the angle between two vectors. What is I cap? Unit vector along x axis. What is J cap? Unit vector along y axis. What is the angle between them? 90 degree. What is sine 90? Sine 90 is 1 into, I should write a unit vector which is perpendicular to both I and J. See here. What is n cap? N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. So if you have to consider a unit vector perpendicular to both I and J, it should be K. Correct now? So therefore I write K cap. I cross J is therefore equal to K cap. Okay. Imagine, okay, try to understand. See, this is x axis, this is y axis. See, this pen is in z axis, correct now? This is I. Where is I cap? I cap is unit vector along x axis. Where is J cap? J cap is a unit vector along y axis. This pen is K cap, correct now? I cross J means C, K. I cross J means K. So if you do J cross I, it will be minus K. It will be in the opposite direction, because A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B equal to minus B cross A. Okay. I cross J. If I do J cross K, what happens? This is I, this is J, this is K. J cross K will give you I cap. J cross K will give you I cap. Why? 1 into sine 90 into the unit vector that should be perpendicular to both J and K. It should be I cap. Then if I do K cross I, K cap cross I cap. Okay, this is I, this is J, this is K. K cross I will give you J. Similarly, if you reverse the order, okay, J cross I will give you minus K cap. Okay, J cross I, because we have studied A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Okay, is equal to minus B cross A, because angle between them is 180 degree. Okay, what is K cross J? K cross J is equal to minus I cap. Okay, I cross K is equal to minus J cap. How to remember these easily? If you take this as I, cap, this is j cap, and this as k cap. Okay, if you go in a cyclic order, I cross j will give you k, j cross k will give you I, k cross I will give you j, plus if you come anti-clockwise it will be minus. I cross k is minus j cap, k cross j is minus I cap, j cross I is minus k cap. Okay, try to understand this and try to solve few problems. Okay, so this is about cross product. This cross product, so there is one more easy way to multiply to simplify cross product using something called determinant method. Okay, since I am doing bridge course, I am not going in detail in that topic. Okay, this definition of cross product is enough. In the next class we will solve some more sample problems of vectors. Then we will go into projectile motion, very important topic. Projectile motion we will study. Okay, thank you very much.